In the previous episodes, we went onto a boat with 4 bicycles. We cycled from the south to the north of an island. We explored beautiful places. We faced our fear of heights.
Come. Don't be afraid. Come on.
There was amazing views and we tried to make the best of the uphills. Links to episode 1 and 2 in the description below.
Third and last day, we're going to head to Victoria, where there is a medieval city. Morning. Beautiful old road. Achter my né.
Gedoe. Kom hulle. Kyk 'n bietjie.
Hello. Did you buy?
Rockety.
A what?
A rockety.
A rockety, show me. Oh, and what's the English name, do you know?
No,
The slingshot.
slingshot. I forgot that.
But are we going to shoot any birds with it?
No, I may not. And I cannot even aim that good. I
So what
cannot
are we?
even
So what are we going to shoot with it?
Wait, targets.
What type
Bow.
of targets?
Bow.
And cans.
Yeah, so this, I think we were here, and here,
Exactly.
here, and here, and... Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Do you want to see the map? No, I want to drink some coffee in my hat.
Some of these shops are scary with 2 little kids and backpacks. Just bump some things over.
What do you like? You have one gold dog cheese? That one is with the local cheese.
Local cheese.
Yes, you have.
Wow. Look at the gold on the chapels on top.
Every church has gold in it. So
Pull that face again. Let's see it.
you ain't gonna be silly on your video.
This is somebody's house. Do you know this?
Yes.
This was somebody's house. And this was somebody's house.
Yeah, there was a bunch of houses here.
A lot. This was a city. Did you know yesterday that uphill was there somewhere? We could have come through here, which I didn't know.
Seriously, Daddy? Seriously? This is entertaining. Yada, 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 yada.
We came up here and then we went into that passage all the way through, around, and we're exiting now again. We are on our way to get the kids McDonald's because they deserve it. They had a long trip. There we go. What's so funny?
Truth or dare after video.
Truth or dare?
Yeah.
Look at the windmill. Come on. Come on. Are you touching his eyes?
I'm touching his saddle.
Ah. Look at me. Look at me. There's some leftover food. Ah. Some bee boxes. Now the downhill starts. It's going to be like 1 minute and we're going to be down at the bottom at the harbour. Here we go. The big ferry just left, so we're probably going to wait an hour down here. It's okay. We'll get some fruit for the way and enjoy the view. Okay, we made it. 2 ferries to go and we'll be there.
That's raining. Yada yada yada.
Just got off and then we're going to jump on this ferry, last one over to 3 cities. This is the last bit, then we're going to go be home.
The reason why my kids started to cycle is I didn't give them any other choice. And so does everyone have their own reason why they started to cycle. In most cases, people do it for exercise. Although the physical benefits are widely documented, what is often forgotten is how much it can benefit our mental health. We suffer together on the uphills, and we enjoy every moment of the downhills. At night, we share our stories and experiences, and while such trips gives us the feeling of accomplishment, this is home for us, meaning it's the end of this trip and the beginning of the planning for the next one.